This is the first time taking my boat out in the 2020 season, and I had a few things break on me.
How long has this been on? A year? Okay, this is what we have. The original windshield, just like a bad tooth, just fell off after 20 years. So let's get to business. We're going to replace it. It's a piece of plexiglass here, repurposed. It's from a very, very, very old door from my trailer in New York, upstate New York.
Traveling down the creek, I thought the tide was going up instead of going down. And I was wrong. It was going down fast. After docking the boat, we took a walk in the woods. When we came back, the boat was no longer in the water.
Now,
Go in the opposite direction.
whoa. Okay, I don't even know if...
The water was up to here before when we left the boat. We gotta get out of here fast. We're gonna die.
We're all gonna die. Okay, now stop.
Oh yeah.
Sit down. I hit a stump underwater, or a submerged log. I bent my prop. Okay. And the water is not circulating out, which means I sucked in mud through the intake. So I'm gonna pull it out and see if I could flush it before I have to take this whole thing apart. But look at that. It's like black oil. Okay. Okay. Well, there's blowouts and there's blowouts. I still don't know what happened to this tire. I was driving down the road, and then all of a sudden I just saw, I felt a little vibration, saw some smoke coming off of it. I don't think it was flat for very long at all, but long enough. Here's a piece of plexiglass that I took out of a door. I was gonna throw it out, but I decided to save it because it's pretty thick and seems to have some life to it, even though it's pretty old. I mean, it's probably from the early 80s. Gonna cut the aluminum angle, and I'm just gonna use a chop saw for it. Have a little piece of scrap left over. Okay, see the silicone in there, gushed in? Just mash it in there. Gush. Okay.
That's 100% pure silicone caulk with an angle iron of aluminum around it. It's very strong. After it's cured, it'll become extremely durable and will even have some flex to it. Be very difficult to break. I expect it to last a long time. After many years with zero issues, on this trip I lost a windshield, blew out a tire, clogged my cooling system with mud, bent my prop. It's all fixed now, ready for another 20 years on the water. Thank you for watching. If you haven't yet, please subscribe. It really helps me a lot. Also, hit the bell icon. That will give you a notice every time I put out a new video. It's been an interesting springtime. Things could only get better from here. Thanks for watching, everybody, and see you next time.